Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and let's get right into the video. So we're going to do a little quick update on this portfolio. I'm going to talk about options, right? I'm going to talk about selling options on this account, how much money we can potentially make, and my plans on whether or not if the market will continue to go down, what I plan on doing, or if the market is slowly, this little correction that we're having is not the beginning of something big and it's just a little correction and we're going to start moving back up. What will be the plan for this portfolio? All right, so since the peak of this portfolio we were at well over $42,000 and now we're a little bit over 32,000, so we lost $10,000 in less than since the beginning of August, right? The beginning of August. And it's obviously because this month hasn't been doing very good. We've seen Shopify going from $70, I believe, down to 55. Yeah, but what I'm seeing is we're hitting a support, right? See, we hit this peak over here February 2nd, well, 53-ish dollars, and we're basically right above that. So that would be a support slash resistance line right there. So we've seen Shopify there. PayPal, same thing. PayPal also is hitting a support line down here. Can it go lower than $59? It's gonna be tough, right? It will be tough to see if PayPal will go down below the $59 mark. Right, that would be another opportunity to buy. Same thing with Shopify. I think Shopify would be a pretty good opportunity to buy right now. Palantir, right? Palantir, let's look at the charts. It looks like it's been steady around this $15 mark, right? Which is good, right? It's kind of like it did run and it pulled back, and now it's kind of setting the support. That's good. Neo, same thing with Neo. If we look at the 3-month chart, they had a support around low 11s, and today it hit basically almost the same thing, low 11s, right? Can it stick around this price? We want to see it stay in that region, right, for a little while, so we know that it's established a support. If not, we might see Neo go down even more, even though they're doing pretty well. Also, they're not doing too good over there in China, right? You see Chinese stocks tumble. Top wealth manager faces payment crisis, blah 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 blah. I heard there's high unemployment over there, so not really a good environment over there in China. But even though what's going on over there, Neo still, and many of the electric manufacturers, car producers over there in China are hitting record deliveries this month, and even are expected to do pretty well for this month in August as well. So we'll have to see how that goes. But if Neo can continue to produce the numbers, then I think we might continue to go up. But just remember, this is a slow grind. Because I was also thinking, like, Neo, it's been taking a long time for Neo to do their battery swaps. And what I'm seeing when they're expanding to Europe, they're slow. It's just like super slow process, right? I think it's going to take many years to see what they did in China to produce in another country or continent. It's going to be tough, right? And even in the United States, to be able to start setting up battery swap stations in the United States, it's going to be very tough. And those Neo houses, you had to like pick just a long process, pick like good real estate, good location, all that stuff, right? That's going to be something tough, right? Might be take a lot longer than is expected. So, but if everything's set up the way that Neo wants it to be set up, even if it takes a long time, Neo is going to be huge, right? Neo is kind of setting up its own ecosystem. I heard something about the Neo phones. I've been watching some videos on Neo every single day, trying to see what's going on with people that are in China. There's a couple channels out there on YouTube that you can see. You got to trust them by their words, right? But you got to see and do some research, even though you may not know it's true, because you never know with China, right? They can always mess up the numbers, or people could always lie. And that's the thing when you're investing in Chinese stocks, you never 100% know if it's factual, right? Factual, but whatever, right? You have to do your own research and your own risk tolerance and all that before you invest in stuff like that, right? But anyways, what also I wanted to talk about today, like I said, I want to talk about selling options, right? See how you see I have 265 shares of Shopify. So I could sell covered calls, right? And the best scenario, the ideal environment in which I want to sell options is when we have a decently green day, so we can have a better premiums. But let's just say I wanted to sell some options. I can sell 2 options because I have 265. I don't have it quite enough to do 3, but I could sell 2. And the way I would do it is I want to be conservative, right? Because I don't want to sell options and then boom, it's too close to where the current price is. Because right now, if I really wanted to, I could sell 2 of these babies right now and I can make $100 this week. But what if Shopify goes above $56 by Friday? Then I would be forced to sell my position, 200 shares at 56, and that's something I don't want to do. So I would probably go a lot farther out, maybe 60, 59, $60. So basically almost a 10% move for Shopify to go up to $60. But the farther away you're out of the money, the lower the premium because the chance of profit is higher, right? So if I was to do only the 60, I would only be able to make $6 in the premium, which is not a lot, right? But if I did that with, say I have Shopify, and then I did PayPal, I did another one that I feel is at least 94% possibility, 63 right here, another $4, what is that? 6, that's $10 already the week. Then I have 700 shares in Neo. Let's check out how much we can do. Something that's way out of the money. Do a $13. I can do $13. 7. I have set. I'll be able to sell 7. That's 14. See, that's already like $24 right there. In the week, if I wanted to be conservative, and I have Palantir. 300 shares. I can sell 3 of them at 95%, 17, 3. That's like $25 per week. So with all that, just for owning the shares that I have, I can get about $25 per share per week, which is about $100 a month, which long term will be $1,200 a year, which is an extra couple percentages that you can make long term just by selling some options if you want to be conservative. Obviously, you can be less conservative and sell them closer to the strike price where the price is right now. So I can sell, if I wanted to be more aggressive, I could be selling at $57 or $58. See, if you wanted to sell at $57 and I'll be able to sell 2 of them, I'll be able to make $46 per week just selling Shopify options, right? And obviously, I could probably make way more money if I started doing this on Monday because it would have been farther, the day would have been farther away. And I would be able to make more money if the market was green because the portfolio today is not green, right? That's the thing that I would do. Also, what I plan on doing if the market continues to go down, one stock that I'm really interested in purchasing, Tesla. Tesla's hit under 230. Remember I said I was going to purchase if it goes under 230? Well, today I fell asleep. I was not awake. I woke up. It was already 3 o'clock p.m. You guys know that I work graveyard shifts. So I get home around 5 o'clock. I ate and I knocked out. And when I woke up, it was already 3 o'clock. I looked at the market. I saw Tesla 223. I'm saying I would have to... Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early and hopefully Tesla's still around this price so I can get at least one share of Tesla. One share of Tesla. My goal, I want to see if Tesla continues to go down, every $20 it goes down, I would probably get a share. I don't want to buy too much because I would have to be buying on a margin. But I think you'll probably be able to buy Tesla from now until summer of next year. So that'll give me enough time to build out a decent sized position in Tesla. If we keep seeing 4% days, we might see Tesla going to 150. I don't think it'll go down to $100, honestly, but 150 is maybe a possibility. 200 possibly could happen another couple more days. 2 more days of like today, and it's at low 200s, right? So if we can get anything under $200, I want to see, I want to buy, I want to buy, I want to buy, I want to buy. And if I do have that time frame, that I think we have enough for Tesla to buy from now until summer. That means maybe with the because Tesla I only have $400 worth. If I can see Tesla from now until summer and it goes under $200, I could see Tesla becoming number 2 position in the portfolio. Honestly, realistically, from now until summer, I can dump a hell of a lot of money into Tesla. And if the market just goes really bad, guys, I'm telling you right now, I wouldn't buy much of the top 4 holdings. Maybe I'll buy some Palantir to make it closer to my other position, so I can probably get it $5,000-$6,000. I would buy Tesla, Meta, and Amazon if the market goes down hard. If I see Tesla to 200, I'm telling you, I'm gonna buy Tesla heavy. Meta, I think Meta was 330 at one point. If Meta goes down to continues to go down 250 plus, down to 250, I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna buy Meta hard if it goes down to low under 250. Amazon 130, you could have got Amazon $80 at one point. But if we see Amazon go down to like lower, I'm saying lower, I'm talking about like close to $100 again, I would purchase Amazon. I would make these 3 positions. I'll buy heavy in those. Heavy. Whenever we see 10-20% correction, I'm buying Amazon, Meta, Tesla, because eventually when everything goes back to normal, which may take a couple years, 3 years, those babies are going back to all-time highs. Let's be realistic here. They're the top companies in the world. They will continue to grow. They will figure out ways to grow, and they'll continue to be the top dogs because they're in the position they are because they know what they're doing, right? Tesla, Meta, Amazon, we see them continue to drop 10, 20, 30%. The lower that goes, I'm going to keep adding about the same amount of money, so my share count will increase. And eventually the main goal is to have Tesla, Meta, Amazon up there with my Shopify position, $10,000 plus. But to get to that, I need to start making more bank, producing more income. So the way I'll produce some more income, even a little bit of money, selling some options, right? Selling options with and being conservative, because I don't want one of these stocks just exploding higher out of nowhere, and then boom, I will have to sell because my option it went right past the options, right? I do not want that to happen. So I'll be conservative. I'll probably sell some options at a higher price with a higher chance of profitability, so it doesn't become executed, and I won't be forced to sell my options. And if it does sell, then I'll do the opposite and sell puts to get back into the position and run the wheel strategy. I can always do that. So most likely, whenever there is a green day in the market, I will start selling some options because I haven't had one green day since the beginning of August. But yeah, that's it for this video. A little quick update on the portfolio. Thanks for watching, guys. Like the video, whatever, subscribe, turn post notifications on. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow when I post another video. Yeah, thank you.